Welcome to URJA Techniques. URJA is managed by a group of technocrats having vast and varied experience in transformer design, development, production, quality control, and servicing. Having achieved a good position in most of the product categories it is involved in, URJA increasingly looks to international business to power its growth volumes. Today, URJA's international operations are spread over Asia, Europe, and Africa. Its overall exports registered commendable growth up to 40% of its total sale.